This is the introductory SceneRunner video. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So you probably hit the introduce me to get to this point. And what we have here is we have my library, which is always going to have Shakespeare Sampler, the free sampler that we have. And once you go into here, if you want the voice recognition, it's asking for it. You're going to have to allow it in order for us to use the cool voice recognition mode, as well as okay the microphone. Great. Let's jump back here because I want to show you the store, which is going to show you the plays that are available for in-app purchase. These can be added in here, and any purchases you make here will appear in my library. And going back to Shakespeare's Sampler, we're in the Scottish play. And I would like to play Macbeth. So let's go into either the casting area, either by clicking on the little person that's speaking Wi-Fi to go into this mode, the dramatis persona, where we can change the different voices for the different characters. And a second way to get to that point is by touching the line of the character you'd like to change. So here, Macbeth, I can now change Macbeth's voice. And that brings me here. So I'm playing Macbeth, so I don't want it on Gordon. Instead, I want the first option of my character. And besides having it my character, I'd like to highlight it orange. And we go back. We have Macbeth's lines in orange. So let's start it from, in order to start things, you need either hit the play button. That'll play from the last place that we ran from, which will probably just be the beginning of the play at this point. So instead, you can also touch the line that you'd like to start from and click Run from here.
I heard the owl scream and the crickets cry. Did not you speak?
Okay, that Lady Macbeth doesn't work for me. So I'm going to click there, change Lady Macbeth's voice, and a little less Arthur and a little more Martha.
I am Lady Macbeth.
There, that's better. Head back, and let's start that again.
I heard the owl scream and the crickets cry. Did not you speak?
When?
No.
As I descended. Hark, who lies in the second chamber?
Donald Bain.
So that's using the voice recognition mode. If the voice recognition mode is not available, let's go to the settings. And you see it grayed out, and you have an older device, it's likely it's not available. If you have a newer device and you're seeing it grayed out, check to see that the internet is available either through Wi-Fi or through your carrier. If you're in airplane mode, it can also be grayed out. And you'll have to basically set it into a mode which Wi-Fi or the internet is available, because we're dependent on external servers, and reset the app. And on the iOS devices, to reset, you'll double-click the home button and you'll see SceneRunner. You can just go and swipe that away, reset to something where the internet's available, and click again, and that should then be available. But if it's still not available and you have an older device, then we have a pause mode, and I'll show you that now. And what that does is, instead of recognizing the words that you're speaking, when you're done with your line, you would just hit the screen somewhere, not hit it, but touch it.
I heard the owl scream and the crickets cry. Did not you speak?
When? And so now we touch to continue.
No.
As I descended, touch to continue. Hark, who lies in the second chamber? So that right there is your intro to SceneRunner. We hope you enjoy the app and that you'll continue using it for years to come.